Hello all, welcome to AK App Logics. Today we're going to discuss about the number format. The previous video we have discussed about the comments, white spaces, and and operators based on the types of operands. Okay, this video we're going to discuss about the number format. We are most familiar with the number being represented as decimal, right? Yeah, isn't it? Yeah. So, however, numbers can be also represented in binary, octal, and hexadecimal. We already know this particular things in the digital electronics, right? Yeah. But by default, this is the point you have to remember in this lecture. By default, Verilog simulators treat numbers as decimals. This point, you should guys remember this point. In order to represent them in different radix in the sense base, that may be base 10, base 2, base 8, and base 16, or base 3, 4, 5, any. Okay, certain rules have to be followed. So, as per the C, if you wanna represent decimal number, we gonna represent 16 as shown here in decimal. We gonna represent six, uh, a number in hexadecimal. You have to use the 0x followed by that particular number. Then only that particular compiler will be take that this number as hexadecimal. If you simply mention value as 10, it will be treated as 10 and it will be treated as decimal value. Okay, so that's the meaning of this particular third line. By default, Verilog simulators treat numbers as decimals. So if you wanna represent binary number, you can use this particular thing. Okay, I am gonna discuss about C language. In Verilog, we also similarly declare like this only, but there is some other size format. Okay, that will be discussed by me in the next video. Okay, so whereas for the octal number, you have to write 0 first, after followed by that particular number. These particular four notations are related to Verilog not, sorry, C language. Okay, so these are the some of the rules that are to be there in the C language. Similarly, there is also some rules relate those should be used in the Verilog. That will be discussed by me in the coming video. Thank you guys. This is the short video I think so in my all lectures. Yeah. So I don't want to stress you guys, and also I don't want to take stress. I have to discuss each and every topic very clearly so that I am making even very my topic as a one video. Okay? Thank you.